Hello, I am Abox Voice Assistant. Nice to meet you.
Hello, I am Abox Voice Assistant. Nice to meet you. Hello, I am Abox Voice Assistant. Nice to meet you.
How to change your voice in real time on an Android phone. When you first install and open a box, you need to enable the floating window permission, which allows you to switch voices during use. Click Import App and import the app you want to change the voice of into a box. Launch the imported app and log into your account. Choose the desired voice from the floating ball. Click Change to this voice. Now you can start voice changing.
Test the Abox Voice Changing effect.
Test the Abox Voice Changing effect.
It's not just for voice messages. You can also change your voice during voice calls and video calls.